school na.
Okay, my daughter. Oh my gosh, what happened to your face?
What happened to my face, Ma?
You've been playing outside in 2 days. Oh my gosh. And your lips are so dry. Oh my gosh, my daughter, what happened to you?
Is there a problem, Ma?
Yes, there is a problem. Look, your dress is beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
And, oh my gosh, your face is so like, disaster. Oh my god, my daughter, I love you so very, very much. But you should put a little bit of powder, moisturize your face, a little bit of lip balm like that to be look cute and presentable. You know, my daughter, I love you. You should put some a little bit of makeup. I just want you to look fresh going to school, not like that. Okay? Go, my daughter. Just put a little bit of simple makeup and you're done.
Okay, Ma. I'll be right back. Hey guys, it's Erika here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're going to do some school day makeup tutorial. So this school day makeup tutorial, it has part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So for today's video guys, we're going to do the part 1 of this makeup tutorial. It's elementary makeup tutorial. So kids, if you have some sensitive skin, don't use some makeup, okay? If you want to use some makeup, use some makeup that's applicable in your skin. And kids, if your school doesn't allow some makeup, don't use some makeup. Don't be pass away, okay? So kids, I'm not forcing you to use some makeup on school. I'm just here if you want to use some makeup. You're just in the right place, okay? Just follow the rules in your school and you always remember your skin is important, okay? So without further ado, let's go to the video. So kids, before we start, you're just in elementary. So just wear some simple because you're not going to an occasion, you're just going to school and your skin is sensitive. So let's start. So first of all, you should maintain your skin clean. Of course, wash your face, kids. So second, we're gonna use some moisturizer to moisturize our face. So kids, remember, use always some moisturizer because in the future, you don't want some pimples, blackheads, or whiteheads that will come to your face, right? So always use some moisturizer. So for my moisturizer, I'm gonna use some W2. But kids, use your moisturizer or use some moisturizers for sensitive skin. So next, we're gonna use some baby powder. You have some sensitive skin, don't use some pressed powder, okay? You're just in elementary. Put a little bit in your skin. So kids, here's the finished look. So next, I'm gonna use some blush. Only blush. It's okay to use some blush, okay? Oh, by the way, I'm using Revlon in blush. So I put a little bit only. So para may kulay ang aking face. So next kids, we're gonna use some lip balm in Maybelline. I require using this because it has moisturizer on it. So kids, don't use some lip gloss or lipstick. It's very dark. So only use some lip balm. So kids, a tip for you. Always use some lip balm to moisturize your lips. So kids, here's the finished look in my lips. It's very cute. This is a lip balm by Maybelline and it has a color of Lolita. Pink Lolita, and it's very moisturizing in my lips and it's very cute. So guys, here's the full face of makeup for elementary students. It's very simple and cute. I hope you like it, guys. So kids, here's the end of my video, and it's just very simple and perfect for the elementary students. So watch out for my part 2 in school makeup tutorial. So this is the part 1 elementary makeup tutorial, and in my part 2 will be high school makeup tutorial. So watch out for my next makeup tutorial, okay guys? So I think here gonna end my video. I hope you like it. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to comment below, guys, if you have some suggestion maybe. So see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.